Good morning, students. This is the ninth video of the chapter Nationalism in Europe. And here we are going to understand one topic, how to visualize the nation. Basically, different countries were there and different countries were presented in different forms. And we need to understand how these countries were visualized to the ordinary people. So basically, we need to understand these countries were visualized through a special type of symbol that was known as allegory. So what was allegory? A story, poem or picture which can be interpreted to reveal a hidden meaning, typically a moral or political one. So this is how allegory was developed in order to show or in order to visualize the nation. A story that acts as an extended metaphor or which present abstract ideas or events represent not only themselves on the literal level but also they stand for something else on the symbolic level. So we need to understand basically it was the symbol. It was a symbol that was revealing the concept of nation, that was revealing the concept of nation, the concept of nationalism at that time. Now we need to understand again that allegory is a symbolic fictional narrative that conveys a secondary meaning or meanings not very clearly stated. It can understand that it can be representative also. We need to understand here that basically allegory was a concept. It was the idea that finally conveys a different types of meaning, like that a nation was displayed in different figures. So we need to understand here this is how allegory became very important to visualize the nation, because it was showing the nation and people could easily got connection with the allegory because it was symbolic in nature. People were very connected with the allegory. So let us discuss about Germania. Germania was the first allegory. It was the first image type structure, or it was the first symbol that was used in Germany to connect different people together. We already discussed 39 confederation state of Germany and we came to understand that how these 39 confederation came together, how the people came together of 39 confederation and how finally unification of Germany took place and how the different things came and they integrated the Germany. So here the role of Germania is equally important to integrate the different pieces of German region together. Germania was the allegory that was representing the unification, the symbol of heroism, and people came to know about the Germany as a country, as a nation. It was because of the Germania that people got united. Similarly, in the France, when the French Revolution was going on, Marianne was the allegory that was used to connect people. So Marianne was the symbol that was used, that was allegory that was used to connect different people together in France. This is how the France got united. The people of France who were living in different areas, they came to know each other. They came under one nation. So this is how the nation of France was also developed. Similarly, in India also, the concept of Bharat Mata was there. So basically, it was also the allegory that was used to symbolize the nation. So Bharat Mata was also symbolic in nature. It was used to connect people together all across India. People came under the umbrella of one concept, under the umbrella of one allegory, and this is how people got united. And finally, we understood that our enemy is Britishers and we removed the Britishers from our country. So we need to understand, be it Germania, be it Marianne, be it Bharat Mata, all these three were symbolic in nature. So basically they were symbolizing the nation. They were symbolizing the upcoming nation. And in fact, they were showing how the nation would look like in the future. So this concept is very important. We need to understand that in order to visualize the nation, different allegories were used at the time when the cultural movement was going on in the Europe. We already discussed that how the cultural movement or the Romanticism influenced the people of Europe and how they came together, how they got integrated, how the feeling of nationalism erupted. So it was because of the cultural movement. So we need to understand two important strategy or events were going on at that time. One was through war, through revolution, and second was through the cultural movement, or you can say through the symbols or through the paintings. So basically allegory was the part of the cultural movement that was started in Europe in order to integrate the people together. And finally, when people got integrated, they removed the monarchy from the Europe, and finally democracy was established, and and concept of nation came into existence, and this is how a nation was built up, nation was constructed, and Germany, France, Italy, all of them came out as a nation. This is all about in this video. Thank you so much.